going on, guys? Car review guys here. Today we're going to have a pretty interesting video. Don't know what all we're going to get into, but in the background you can see there's Z06, which is TNSpeed, which is right there. And so let's go ahead and get this shot, and we'll do a couple mini pulls and stuff. Basically what we have is a 2LZ Z06, it's 2017. And then behind is mine, and it is a 14 2LT Z51. So pretty comparable cars as far as handling goes. Big difference, obviously, the motor with the supercharger. So let's get right into it. Let's go, guys. The Z06 is definitely pretty freaking slick. Alright, let's roll.
I knew the minute that I picked you up, it was gonna be a wild ride. You kissed me like you couldn't get enough, barely made it out of your drive. Burned a little rubber at the red light, got a little warning from the blue lights. It's only going on 9 o'clock, but feels more like midnight. But we didn't even turn up the radio. Already got the window down, and you got your seat way back. Ain't even made it halfway to town, and you're already talking about a six-pack. Already got your shoes on, and you're talking about slipping on. No, we ain't even found your friends, and you already wanna get lost. We ain't even turned up the radio, ain't been 2 miles down the road. When you look at me, baby, I don't know if we even gonna make it to the party. Yeah, we got a whole lot of moonlight.
So the child in me saw another Z06 in the background right there. So we had to pull over and get some pictures of them. But I wanted to point out some of the subtle differences on these cars that I guess most people don't realize are even options. So on his Z06, you can see it's not painted from the vents backwards. It also has a blacked out decal, which is a lot easier to see whenever they're in the same frame, like so. Obviously the Z06 grille is different, which most of you watching this channel will know that from the non-Z06. And then I don't have a front splitter. These guys both have front splitters. And then he doesn't have a black top, and he also doesn't have black mirrors. We have the black top, which is off right now, with the black mirrors. And then he also has the black mirrors as well. This Z06 does not have the aero package on the side skirts, and he does have the side skirts, so it makes it a lot different. Then, if we come around to the back side, you'll see difference in the rear spoilers here. I believe his is a stage 2 or stage 3 spoiler, and this is just the typical aero package. I think it's stage 1 aero on the normal Stingray Z51, and then this is, I believe, stage 1 on the Z06. And then he obviously has the chrome wheels for the Z06. I have the chrome, the Z51, and then he obviously has the matte black for the Z06. So let's go ahead and head on over to the track. Got both of the cars stacked up out here at the track. A lot of freaking sweet cars out here. There is a 2019 ZR1 running on the track. It is in the Sebring orange, so let's go check that out, and yeah.
Those other cars should not be catching it.
No.
This baby. Yeah, he's got a passenger.
Does.
Yeah. It's okay. It's hard
Alright, so right here we have a GT3 RS. So if you recall back a few videos, I'll put a link in the description below, the McLaren 720S, the gentleman that owns the 720S that gave me a ride that day, this is his GT3 RS. So, pretty freaking sweet looking car. Let's check out the interior. Very nice car. Alright, so we're over here obviously at the Corvette Museum. You can see it back there in the background and right there as well. So let's go in here, check out just a couple things. I don't think I'm gonna go through the museum, so if you really want to see the museum portion of it, definitely go to TNSpeed's channel, because he's gonna film some of the stuff in there. So be sure to check that out and like and subscribe to his channel as well, because he has a pretty dirty looking Z06. So I'm a pretty big Corvette fan, but I'm just curious, maybe is this the first Corvette that's ever been made? I don't know, but it definitely looks faster than any modern one. A lot of horses going on there. All right, so they're TNSpeed's in there getting some footage of the museum, so definitely go check out his channel. We're gonna roll over to Wendy's, we're freaking hungry, and then we're gonna meet back at my house, and that's most likely gonna conclude today's video. So I'll wait till I get back to the house to do the outro, but this is probably it. Oh, third gear. TNSpeed behind us. Alright guys, I think that's going to conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to go check out TNSpeed's channel. It's really awesome. He has a 6 Z06, which is obviously right there, and you guys have seen all day today. We already have the other one back in the garage here, so just like that, today's video is over. And as always, please like, please subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos coming up. We have some pretty special track days coming up here, I think.
Make sure you stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Absolutely. So, all right, guys. Have a great one.
See you guys later.